Welcome back to the Radio Free Enterprise Minute. I'm Frank Felker. My guest today is Justin Brown. Justin is the co-founder of Primal Video. What were you afraid was going to go wrong when you handed over these projects to somebody who was going to work on it remotely?
Well, I mean, it's at the end of the day, it's my face on the video. And the same for anyone else out there that's considering outsourcing. Like this, we don't want to not be putting our best foot forward. One of the biggest fears that people have is how they'll come across and how they look on camera. And handing over a piece of that, especially the editing piece, it could be seen as a risk or too much effort as well. I mean, the one of the biggest things that I was telling myself was, I can edit. I've been teaching people to edit. Who better to edit my videos down than me? If I'm the one that's filming them, I know where I've made mistakes. I know what my intention was when I was filming it. So it's just going to be quicker for me to do it. But now looking back at that, I mean, I pushed back with every excuse under the sun as to why it would work and why it was just better for me to do it. But in actual fact, not having done it for the last 3 years, it's just freed me up immensely. So I now have the time to work on the business and with our members instead of having to worry about producing a video every week and getting that, on that hamster wheel of, time sunk in editing.
Well, that's it for today. Search RadioFreeEnterprise.com if you'd like to hear more of my conversation with this guest. Until tomorrow, this is Frank Felker saying, I'll see you on the radio.